In this video, I will show you how to change a photo background and perfect match color using Gemini AI. Take a look at these two images. This is the main photo and this is the background photo we want to use. Open Gemini AI. Now click here. Select Thinking. Next, upload both photos. Then type recognize both photos. File name photo 1 and photo 2. Hit the submit button. Once that done, type change photo 1 whole background with photo 2 and matching color. Look at the result. The background is perfectly replaced and the color blend together for a clean, professional look. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI photo editing tutorial.